Well friends, you will see how to do factory reset of your phone. So friends, to do factory reset in your Android phone, just go to the settings and straight away go to system. So here in option system, you will see a lot of things here, and there is something called reset options. So once you do that, there will be usually 2-3 reset options available based on your model of your phone. That is reset Wi-Fi, reset app preferences, and erase all data or factory reset. So one thing I just want to say you before you do the factory reset of your phone, that it will completely erase all the data of your phone. So before you do that, make sure that you take out all the or keep a backup of all the data that you have in your phone. It will completely erase the hard disk of your phone, of your data, as well as all the apps that are installed in your phone. So make sure that all your passwords, data, etc. are taken care of, are noted down before you do this factory reset. And here it's simple, just click on erase all data, that is factory reset. Click on this and press erase all data. Well, I am not doing it because it will erase all my data. So in some models, as you can see, there's some interesting options are also available, like erase only system data, including accounts, info, contacts, apps data, all the things, like you format the C drive of your PC. Or this is one optional thing also available, like erase internal storage as well. So that's a good thing for mobile users like us, those who want to just erase the system data so that our phone gets faster without any bug and it performs as good as new phone. So if the option is available on your phone as well, then don't choose this one because it will keep your internal data safe. So this is how you do the factory reset of your phone. So friends, that's it in this video. I hope it was useful. If you found this video useful, please like this video and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment to get more of such technical videos. So till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.